friends, my name is Prithviraj.
My name is Sangram Gumbre.
My name is Aditya Dharan.
My name is Aditya Ananda Khade.
So today we are performing our maths working model. First of all, Sangram Gumbre will tell information about machine.
This model about quadrilaterals and their properties. The first question is parallelogram. To match the property of this parallelogram, first is no, second no, third no, fourth no, fifth no, sixth. Yeah, this is the correct answer of this question. Similarly, match the other quadrilaterals and their properties.
Thanks, Sangram. Then Aditya will tell use of material.
Use of materials: first cardboard, second LED light, third battery, fourth button, fifth 5 wires.
Thanks, Aditya. Then Aditya Khade will say vote of thanks.
My first special thanks for my maths teacher Yama Sargar sir to golden chance and a great opportunity for maths working model. My teammates hard working to make in maths working model. For this Prithviraj, Sangram and Aditya Dharade, thanks.
Today I am here to explain the multiplication table, and my name is Yash. My group members' name is Aryan, Shubham, Sunny and Prathamesh. And so let us explain the multiplication table. So Aryan, explain.
Good morning, sir. This is a table of 80, and I will explain you 18 table. 18 ones are 18, 82 is 160, 83 is 240, and 84 is 320, and 85 is 400, and 86 is 480, and 87 is 516, and 88 is 640.
Thank you, Aryan.
My name is Nilesh. My team partner name is Shantanu Yashraj Sahil. So today we will present math working model. Math working model name is multiplication and multiplication calculator and square 1 to 30. First now Shantanu will be present working model.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shantanu Yadav. My maths working model name is multiplication calculator and 1 to 13 square. My maths working model apparatus is cardboard sheet, color paper, card sheet paper and pen, pencil, etc.
Thank you, Shantanu. Yashraj is explain the model.
17 to 16 is equal to 272. Uh, 16 square is equal to 256.
Thank you, Yashraj. Sahil is a vote of thanks.
My first thanks is my name is Omkareshwar and my team member name is Aniket, Samarth and Akash. First of all, Samarth will be information of model.
This is a maths working model, algebraic expression, use of material, card sheet paper, cardboard, glue guns, glue sticks, cutter, exactly. He works algebraic expression formula. First, a plus b bracket the square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b the square. Second, a minus b bracket the square. A minus b bracket the square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b the square.
Aniket will be present expansion formula.
A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Bracket a minus b bracket square is equal to a square 2ab plus b square. A plus b cube is equal to a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube.
Thank you. Now Akash Akash will be vote of thanks.
First thank you Mr. Sargar sir for give golden opportunity.
Sir, my name is Vedant and my team partner name is Ganesh and Dhanraj. Today we will presenting types of polynomial and examples. First, types of polynomial index names: monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. And examples: monomial 1 term 6 and 4x cube, 5a square, b square, 3. Binomial 2 term ab 4 minus 5 6x plus 2 y plus 2f. Trinomial 3 term w upon 2 minus 26 plus o. Polynomial many term 2x cube minus 3x cube minus 5x plus 5. 2a3 plus 3y plus 4y minus 8a. 0, 15, 8 minus 2 upon 3. Linear polynomial degree 1 x plus 8 3 upon 4 x minus 6. Quadratic polynomial degree 2 3x cube 3x square minus 2x plus 7 and 5y square minus 1 upon 4. Cubic polynomial degree 3 5x cube 2y cube minus y plus 4. And next is Ganesh Khade will present vote of thanks.
Bye.